Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now I'm excited because I'm trying out my new setup. I just got this new computer, so I'm using the webcam audio. So hopefully this video turns out all right. But anyway, LiveGood. All right, LiveGood, like I talk about in all my videos, in my opinion, is one of the best side hustles to start. And if you've done any research with LiveGood, I'm sure you've seen some of the income claims, where people saying, they're making $5,000, $10,000, even over $20,000 a month in LiveGood, right? And a lot of people are like, wait. This is where they don't believe in LiveGood, because they're like, wait, okay, you only get a $25 fast start commission, right, when you sign somebody up. And then you only get 25 cents a month off of every personal referral. So a lot of people, when they hear about LiveGood and they look into it, they're like, oh, this is whack. This can't be. Look at the income claims versus how much you actually get, from referrals, right? But this is the thing that a lot of people don't get. A lot of people who look into LiveGood and they just automatically go away from it because they think it's too good to be true. These people are missing the 50% matching bonuses. This is how people are making $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month in LiveGood. They're not making that $5,000 a month from one-time $25 commissions. They're not doing that, right? Because remember, for every personal referral, you get $25, which is cool. You know what I'm saying? $25, boom, somebody joined, great. But the real money comes from that 50% matching bonus that you get from each personal referral. So when you hear about these people making that kind of money, it means that they have an active team. They have a lot of people or a few people that's really busting their ass in LiveGood. They're promoting it. They are getting signups. They are getting people on a regular basis, and they're building large teams. All right. And this is how it is possible to make that kind of money in LiveGood. All right. So if you are the type of person that, gets involved with LiveGood and you're not planning on promoting it, which a lot of people do, they just kind of like get in and just hope that money just pops in their account, like LiveGood's probably not going to be for you, especially if you're looking to make that kind of money. Now, if you're looking to make just a little bit of money, then you could join LiveGood and either do very, very minimal, right, marketing or whatever, or just hope for some spillover, right? With spillover, if you don't know, that's where a whole bunch of people like above you, they're busting their ass, and eventually you get some trickle down that falls into your team, and you're going to get paid off of those people. That's spillover. The truth about spillover is, like, you don't know when it's coming, and you don't know how much it's going to be. So ultimately, if you get into LiveGood as a way to generate, a part-time or full-time income, you want to come into it with the mindset of, I'm going to really work this business opportunity. I'm going to treat it serious, and I'm not going to quit after 2-3 months, right? Because the truth is, I personally know people in LiveGood that's making over $5,000 a month right now, right? And when you do your research, you'll realize that there are people making a lot more than that. But you have to remember, it's all about getting that 50% matching bonus from your personal referrals. So the easiest way to go about making money in LiveGood, right, and be successful is do not wait for spillover, right? Be a leader. Go out there and get as many referrals as you can, right? And I tell people all the time, treat LiveGood like an affiliate program. Do not treat it like a network marketing, blah, blah, blah. I mean, you can, but to get your mind right, just go for those personal referrals. Go for those $25 commissions. If you have that mindset, eventually you're going to run into some leaders, right? Them personal referrals, they're going to be a leader, and you're going to be matching their efforts. So if you get a personal and they come in and they're making $500 a month, right? From their LiveGood business, you're getting $250. If they're making $1,000 a month, you're going to be getting $500 a month. And this is how the big dogs is doing it. Straight up. They have people on their teams. People have people on their teams, right, that are making $5,000 a month. So they're getting $2,500 a month. Think about that, right? So you should be excited about LiveGood. You should be excited to join an opportunity like this, but at the same time, you should also be excited to work this opportunity, really promote it, and build your own business. So yes, LiveGood is dope as hell. And if you are not a part of LiveGood yet and you want to jump on a poppin' team, you already know what to do. Click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the squad.